starts off with the author describing Camp Green Lake as a wasteland. He could have just said it was a hot desert, but instead, he chose to use the word wasteland because it's so much more than just a desert. The author really wanted to emphasize that Camp Green Lake is a lifeless place, a place of nothing. The second word he uses is the verb shrivel. The easy phrase would have been, the town became deserted. But to emphasize just how dry and unpopulated Camp Green Lake became over time, the author described the town and its people as shriveling up. In this way, the author successfully paints the picture of Camp Green Lake.